Namaste. So today we are going to do eagle pose, Garudasana. Okay. So stand straight. You can keep some distance between your legs. Roll your shoulders up, back and down. Hand beside your body. Gently close your eyes. Focus on your breathing. Relax your face. No wrinkles on your forehead. Gentle smile on your face. Slow, steady, deep inhale. And exhale out completely. Relax. Relax. Shanta. Shithil. Shithil. Gently open your eyes. हळूवारपणे तुमचे डोळे उघडा. Now keep your weight on your left leg. Lift your right heel up. Bend your left knee and spiral your right leg around your left leg. Left hand on top. Cross your right hand. Spiral your hands. Focus at one point. Bend your knees. Keep breathing. Now if possible, bring your elbows up. Keep breathing. Now if possible, bring your elbows towards your belly, fingertips towards grass. Focus at one point. Keep breathing. As you inhale, slowly come up. Release your leg. Release your hand. And again, relax in Samasthiti. Close your eyes. Focus on your breathing. Shithil. Shithil. And Shithil. Slow, steady, deep inhale. And exhale out completely. Gently open your eyes. Now we will do from another side. Now weight is on your right leg. Come on your left toes. Left heel is up. Bend your right knee. Now spiral your left leg around your right leg. Now right hand on top. Spiral your hands. Focus at one point. Keep breathing. Now if possible, bring your elbows up towards the sky. Keep breathing. Bend your right knee as much as possible. Bring your elbows towards the sky. Bring your elbows towards your belly. Focus at one point. Fingertips towards grass. And as you inhale, slowly come up. Release your leg. Release your hands. And again relax in Samasthiti. Keep some distance between your legs, hand beside your body. Keep breathing. हे झालं आपलं गरुडासन. नमस्ते.